Social Security is a critical source of retirement income for millions of Americans. However, many people don't realize that there are simple ways to increase their Social Security benefit. Here are strategies you can use to boost your Social Security payment. Delay your retirement. One of the easiest ways to increase your Social Security benefit is to delay your retirement. For every year that you delay your retirement, your benefit will increase by 8%. For example, if you were born in 1960 and your full retirement age is 67, your benefit would increase by 24% if you delayed your retirement until age 70. Delaying your retirement not only increases your Social Security benefit, but also gives you more time to save for retirement and potentially earn more income. However, it's essential to consider your overall financial situation and determine if delaying retirement is the right decision for you. Maximize your earnings. Your Social Security benefit is based on your earnings history. Therefore, maximizing your earnings can increase your benefit. You can do this by working longer, negotiating a higher salary, or taking on additional work. Additionally, if you have gaps in your work history, you can consider returning to work or working part-time to increase your lifetime earnings. It's essential to note that your Social Security benefit is calculated using your highest 35 years of earnings. Therefore, maximizing your earnings in your highest earning years can have a significant impact on your benefit. Understand spousal benefits. If you're married, you may be eligible for spousal benefits. Spousal benefits allow you to collect a portion of your spouse's Social Security benefit, even if you've never worked or have a lower benefit amount. If your spouse has a higher benefit amount than you, it may make sense for you to claim spousal benefits instead of your own benefit. It's essential to understand the rules surrounding spousal benefits and to coordinate with your spouse to maximize your combined Social Security income. Additionally, if you're divorced but were married for at least 10 years, you may still be eligible for spousal benefits based on your ex-spouse's earnings history. Minimize taxes. Finally, minimizing taxes can increase your Social Security benefit by reducing the amount of income tax you owe on your benefits. Social Security benefits are taxable if your income exceeds a certain threshold. Therefore, reducing your taxable income by taking advantage of tax-deferred retirement accounts, such as 401(k)s and IRAs, can help you minimize taxes and increase your Social Security benefit. Consider claiming strategies. There are several claiming strategies you can use to increase your Social Security benefit. For example, if you're married, you may be able to claim a spousal benefit while delay your own benefit to earn delayed retirement credits. This can maximize your overall Social Security income over time. Additionally, if you're eligible for both your own benefit and a spousal benefit, you can choose to claim one benefit first and delay the other to earn delayed retirement credits. This can allow you to maximize your Social Security income over time. It's important to note that claiming strategies can be complex, and the right strategy for you depends on your unique situation. Therefore, it's essential to consult with a financial advisor or use Social Security calculators to determine the best claiming strategy for you. Check your earnings record. Your Social Security benefit is based on your earnings history, so it's essential to ensure that your earnings record is accurate. You can check your earnings record by creating a My Social Security account on the Social Security Administration's website. If you notice any errors in your earnings record, it's important to correct them as soon as possible. Errors in your earnings record can lead to a lower Social Security benefit, so it's essential to ensure that your record is accurate. Stay informed. Finally, staying informed about changes to Social Security rules and regulations can help you make informed decisions about your benefit. For example, the full retirement age for Social Security is gradually increasing from 66 to 67, which can affect your benefit amount if you retire early or delay your retirement. Social Security rules and regulations can change over time, so it's important to stay up to date on any changes that may affect your benefit. The Social Security Administration website is a valuable resource for staying informed about Social Security rules and regulations. Increasing your Social Security benefit is possible by using claiming strategies for your retirement. You can ensure a more secure and comfortable retirement.